Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, first of all, I will show you how to create YouTube channel art. You already knew in the last episode how to create social media post graphics. So if you want by following those method, you can create YouTube channel art. For example, you will go google.com, then you have to know YouTube channel art size. After that, you will create a document in Photoshop. And finally, we will create your channel art as like social media graphics as you want. But in this section, I will create YouTube channel art in different way. That is very impressive. Just follow the process. Look at. This is the YouTube channel art template. By using this template, I will create our YouTube channel art very easily. But right now one question, how can you get this template? Don't worry, I will give the template in resource section. You just download and use it. Or you can download this types of template from Google. For that reason, you have to go google.com like this. Then you will search YouTube channel art template like this. Look at, after searching you will get lots of results. You can download the template from any link as your wish. Right now I won't download because I already downloaded. Now I back my workspace. At first I will open this PSD template like this. Please see, after opening you will get these types of windows. This is our YouTube channel art dimension. This is text and logo part, and other area you can use for image. Now I will place an image for our YouTube channel art. That's why I hit on file and choose place. And now select your image. I am choosing this one. Then place. At the time I will adjust it in this template like this. After adjust, pressed OK. Now I will select below layer and stress layer above like this. Look at, now we can see text area. Currently we have to put our text. So guys, the episode ends here. See you next lecture. So stay connected. In the next lecture I will add text for our YouTube channel art.